Hey Facebook friends and YouTubers, this is lesson 5455 charts, Andy's free guitar video charts, and we're looking here at chart 53, which I put the name up there so because it'll be in back of me. But and it's in minor and modal scale degrees. This is just a little follow-up from yesterday before we go into chart 54 and 55, which I got some really good stuff for you to learn today, ways to look at things. I have a physical substitution and like a way to look at it, mental substitution, that involves the S4L. Okay, so here you look at the S4L right up here, and embedded in the middle of the S4L is this S2L. Just look at them for numbers for now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root. That's in the middle of this pattern. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root. As a matter of fact, this is the another look at the S4L here. Alright, and there's your embedded S2L in there. But what's this on top and what's this on the bottom? 7R2, what's 7R2 and what's 2, 3, 4? That, we're going to address that problem and fix it so that it's not the top of an S3L on the bottom and the bottom of an S3L on the top, 2, 3, 4 up there. We're going to fix that. So that's what's going to be in chart 55. So just following up, what were we doing yesterday? Whoa. Okay. The short barred pattern stack is blocked, so let's look at this here. But I did want to show you the short barred pattern stack, and it's a shame because I'm in the way. I don't know how that ended up quite right there. It shouldn't be there. I don't seem to find a way to like zoom in on that. Hey, no lifeguard on duty there. Over at Mike and Sherry's. Anyway, this is the short barred pattern stack, and you won't see this everywhere because it doesn't work everywhere. It's just for barred chords. So let me tune up here. My guitar is tuned down, tuned 2 whole notes. Now, does that mean that I have to transpose everything? No. No, because when I play an E-shaped triad on the bottom here, it comes out a C, and I have it labeled as a C in my labeling scheme over here. Okay? So that would be, let's zoom out a minute. A few clicks there. That would be here actually. This is an octave above what it is because this inlay design with the piano notes, okay, C is yellow there. This is the normal guitar, which if you have the capo, if I have the capo, where did my capo go? My capo is hiding today. Oh, there it is. My capo is not hiding. Okay, so if I put a capo on my down C tune guitar, then this fret nut that the capo creates, this fret right here is E. This green note is E right there. You can almost see it. And so that would be the C right there. Alright, I just had to take a quick pause there to get situated. So, with this capo on my down C tuned guitar, which is an A flat instrument, such as a trumpet is a B flat instrument, it means when you play an open C on the trumpet, which is no valves, just like a bugle, it comes out a B flat. It does not come out a C, but it's considered a C on the music sheet, on the sheet music. It's a B flat instrument. When I down tune this 2 whole notes, it becomes an A flat instrument, because 2 whole notes down from C, from E rather, is a C. That's why I did it. So when I played the, like I said, what I just did, the E shape on the bar here, on the fret nut way down here, comes out a C. So therefore, conversely, if I play a C chord, all right, it comes out an A flat, because C goes down 2. So what is an A flat? I got the capo right. The C chord is here, but everything's down tuned. So what? C comes down, comes out to be an A flat here. Speaking of tuning, I tune this guitar. So in my case, I tune it to C, F, B flat, E flat, G, C. Okay, so that's what we were talking about the other day, and we were talking about the minors, how this chart here helps you decide what scale degree you're playing. If you're playing a C minor, say, that goes, alright, well, it stops at G here. I can see what that note is. C minor would be C, D, E, F, G. The question is, if you know what the home key is, you know what the mode is, or conversely, if you know what the mode you're playing, you know what the home key is. How do you do that? Well, that's always a decision. Are you going to go A natural B flat to the C, or are you going to go A flat B flat to the C? If you go A natural B flat to the C, that means that A natural becomes the leading tone of B flat. If you go A flat B flat to the C, that means that A natural that A flat is the 4th of E flat. It makes the C the 6th of E flat, whereas if you play the A, it makes the C the 2nd of E flat. Some of you may know what that is and say, oh yeah, I see. But it sounds confusing because I haven't, really squared away that part of this lesson. That's not what this lesson covers, but I'm just reviewing from what we were talking about yesterday. So bottom line, you decide what it is. So let's say this C minor, which is C, E flat, G, this C minor is going to be the 2nd of B flat. So the 2nd of B flat, D, F, right? And we go C, D, E, F, G, and we're going to take it to the A. Remember, the A is the leading tone to B flat, so that's going to be the 7. What does the formula say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract 1 from the 6. It's the -1 formula. Subtract 1 from the minor's scale degree. That would be 5.